Are you constantly feeling tired and drained? Does it feel like you can never shake off that sluggish feeling? Dealing with chronic fatigue can be incredibly frustrating, but there are things you can do to reclaim your energy levels. Today, we'll explore 9 proven energy boosters to help you overcome chronic fatigue. Let's dive in. Before we jump into solutions, it's important to understand what we're dealing with. Chronic fatigue syndrome, or CFS, is more than just feeling a little tired. It's a persistent lack of energy that doesn't go away with rest, impacting your day-to-day life. It's like running a marathon every day, hitting a wall of exhaustion. But don't worry, there's hope. Recognizing the symptoms is the first step to reclaiming your energy. Combat fatigue by paying attention to what you put into your body. Just like a car needs the right fuel, your body needs a balanced diet to function at its best. Whole foods, lean proteins, and complex carbohydrates. These foods provide steady energy, preventing those energy crashes that leave you drained. You know the saying, water is life? Well, it's also energy. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels. Dehydration can lead to fatigue and headaches. Carry a water bottle and sip throughout the day. Aim for 8 glasses daily or more if you're active or in a hot climate. Chapter 4. Get moving to beat fatigue. Now, I know what you're thinking. Exercise when I can barely get off the couch? Trust me on this one. Regular exercise can help combat fatigue. It boosts circulation, delivers oxygen, and releases endorphins. Even moderate exercise can make a big difference. Chapter 5. The Sleep Energy Connection. Sleep is like hitting the reset button for your body and mind. Without quality sleep, your body can't repair and recharge, leading to fatigue. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a relaxing bedtime routine. Ensure your bedroom is cool, dark, and quiet. Chapter 6. Stress less, live more energetically. Stress is an energy vampire, plain and simple. Chronic stress can leave you feeling drained and mentally fried. Manage stress to boost your energy levels. Incorporate meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or spending time in nature. These practices calm your mind and restore energy. Sometimes, despite our best efforts, our diets may not provide all the essential vitamins and minerals we need. In these cases, certain vitamins and supplements may help. Vitamins B12, D, and iron play a role in energy metabolism. Consult with your doctor before starting any new supplements. Chapter 8. Don't underestimate the power of a well-timed break or power nap. Stepping away from work for a few minutes can help you reset and return refreshed. Short breaks allow your mind to recharge, while power naps provide a quick energy boost, especially during the afternoon slump. Keep naps short, around 20 to 30 minutes, to avoid feeling groggy. Chapter 9. Believe it or not, your mindset plays a huge role in your energy levels. A positive outlook can boost your mood, increase your resilience to stress, and even improve your physical health. Practice gratitude, focus on the good, and surround yourself with positive influences. When you approach life with a positive mindset, you naturally feel more energized and capable of taking on the day. Outro, thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health and wellness content. Dealing with chronic fatigue can be challenging, but by incorporating these energy-boosting strategies into your daily life, you can start feeling more energized, revitalized, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Stay energized and take care.